I did have an issue with a whistling noise on the driver's side that was a mirror that was put together incorrectly, and they replaced it, and that fixed it. I'm almost wondering if that significant wind noise over here isn't the same problem. I mean, it could be a gasket issue, but I don't know. I would really like to have somebody look at it and fix it, because they kind of gaslit me after they fixed the whistling mirror and told me, oh, that's normal, little wind noise is normal. But I've been in several other Teslas now, and mine is significantly worse. It is something I would like to see fixed.